Morning, guys.
Drinking water has plenty of benefits, from helping you boost your fitness performance to relieving common illnesses like constipation and headaches. Come to think of it, several people in the world have limited access to water, yet people still disregard the importance of water. Now, what if you only drink water for 20 days and nothing else? What then? This means no drinking of all beverages, be it tea, caffeine, carbonated drinks, and many more. But of course, the results can only be beneficial. In this video, we will be talking about what happens to your body when you replace all drinks with only water for 20 days. Keep watching to find out. You lose weight much faster. Drinking water is one of the most effective weight loss methods these days. Not to mention that it's a natural remedy with 0 calories. When you replace the intake of sweetened beverages and alcoholic drinks with water, you're boosting your metabolism. In the end, you lose weight at a faster rate. You flush out toxins from your body. Drinking too much soda or soft drinks will take a toll on your kidney. The kidney is responsible for eliminating toxins and waste from the body. By drinking only water, you can help the kidneys function better by allowing these organs to perform at their maximum in flushing out toxins. In short, water keeps your body and system clean from the inside out. Your muscle endurance and flexibility is better. The importance of water in our body can't be stressed enough. Many of us aren't aware of the fact that water accounts for a large part of our muscle composition. Water helps absorb and retain the essential minerals to keep our bones strong and healthy. By drinking water only for 20 days, you can improve your muscle endurance and flexibility. Your focus and concentration is sharper. Overconsumption of carbonated drinks can lead to dehydration and cause an imbalance in the brain. This then results in problems like brain fatigue, depression, poor memory, and bad mental clarity. By going water all the way, you can combat all the negative effects of these beverages. Best of all, your ability to focus and your memory power gets a boost. You look younger than your peers. A hydrated skin decelerates the aging process. Water moisturizes the skin, keeping it plump, soft, youthful, and wrinkle-free. It can also maintain your muscle tone. So, if you feel older than your age lately because of stress, consider going on water therapy for 20 days. You'd be surprised by how your appearance has improved. You have a stronger heart. Another powerful benefit of drinking water is that it keeps your heart healthy. That's because it reduces the risk of heart attack by lowering your blood pressure and preventing your blood from thickening. Even a glass of water an hour before bed can help prevent a heart attack or stroke. So, are you ready to say goodbye to your sugary beverages, coffee, and even tea? Shall we go water all the way then? Feel free to share your thoughts about it below.
Thank you for watching.